nearly 24,000 residents call Griffin, Georgia home, a revered market for rural communities with family values. Founded in 1840 by General Lewis Lawrence for commerce during a southern transportation boom, the city is often compared to Atlanta, then Terminus, which was founded 3 years prior. Since then, Griffin gained a reputation as a former manufacturing town in the 20th century and has since diversified its exports. So there's a rich history here. Family-run towel plants like Dundee Mills and Cotton ruled. They funded infrastructure still in use today. In 2026, the city lags behind neighboring urban towns in metro Atlanta due to globalization, but stays afloat thanks to property taxes, small businesses, and local charm. Remnants of the past serve as reminders and oracles for downtown shoppers. This complex features public spaces like the One Griffin Center, Courthouse, and City Hall. Local gyms are supported by travelers, diverse patrons, and church folks. Call it easy living. Putt and pour golf, grits, antique shops, tattoo parlors, take your pick. The service is top shelf around here. Downtown Griffin takes you to the river, so be refreshed. People have strong feelings about the city, depending on what you know. But there's more than meets the eye. Here's a place where people settle down from a hustle economy. Here lies a culture of people that won't ever give up in the face of poverty, apathy, and class tension. The church bell rings at 12 every day to keep hope alive. It's not perfect, but it will survive.